follow-up video to the last one I just made about OpenStreetMap installation. I finished installing it, took the memory card out of the computer, and I have here a nuvi 265T, really old, but still works great. I'll show you the process of what happens after. So let's go ahead and put this card, let me get that in view. Now, as you see, this is a 16. So I talked about that in the last video. It's like you can use 8, 16, or 32 gig cards. It'd help if I could find the right orientation. Come on, you little dude. There you go. Okay. There we go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there it goes. It will run this green bar twice on this model because new maps, 2 new map images. There's the OpenStreetMap notice. And let's take a look. Yep, there it is. Open Map Chess United States. 2 images. And it's ready to go. Not much else to show. That's it. So once you, it's exactly like I said in the last video. Gmap sup, Gmap sup 1. Put it on the card. Put it in. Turn it on. Check to make sure that if it's like this, just make sure it's checked by going to settings and then map. And then, well, on this one you have to go to map info and just make sure it's selected, just make sure it's checked, and that's it. You are good to go.